Thank you, Abhishek, for taking all the time to giving us this review. Right, you've got some amazing admits, Warwick, UCD, and you're off to UCD now. Right, great school. Right, I'm pretty sure you'll have an amazing experience. Right, so just wanted
Yeah,
to take a few minutes to get a review of our services. How was it for you as such, right now? And
right,
yeah, just get a idea for people who may or may not want to take up our services for the coming
right,
application.
right.
Okay, so let's start. Yeah, how
Yeah.
was your experience with MIMSA?
Yeah, it was pretty good. I mean, like the process was very smooth and very easy to understand. I mean, once we start enrolling to your place, a consultant is assigned. Like in my case, it was you. So a consultant is assigned, and you track all my progress and all. You just told me wherever I can improve, and what things can be added to the essays, the LORs, and everything. So I think in general, in terms of experience, it was pretty good, quite easy to understand, and at the same time, very very personalized and effective. So yeah, like 10 on 10 for that.
Okay, perfect, right? So how did we add value to your application? You said very personalized and effective, right? So how do you
Yeah.
think we added value to your application?
I think the entire process is very, very, it's very personalized in terms of like first we start off with the brainstorming session. I think that is a very, very like important session because it really questions the aspect like why I did what I did. I think not all consultants do that. This is one thing that I felt was very personalized, and because of that it really allowed me to understand, okay, which B schools are the right ones to choose from. Like for example, like I'm going to UCD now, but I never thought I'll go to UCD. Like it has been completely total switch. So that's one point which I felt was very good. And in terms of like adding value, in terms of I felt like understanding the essays, I think that was one thing was which was very important because once you understand the prompt, I mean, which you did very well for me, uh, figuring out what I can write in that prompt in terms of my from the results of the brainstorming session, I think that was very very personalized. So yeah, I think that was the biggest added value to my application.
Okay, perfect, great. So what did you like the best about our service?
Uh, I don't know if somebody has said this to you or not, but I think the CRM portal is very good. I think the because like it has everything from in terms of LORs, the SOPs, and the essays and the resume and everything. Like people forget the fact that it's not just the SOP which is the game changer. It's everything.
Right.
Like everything adds weightage to it. So I think perfecting the resume, perfecting the LORs. I think that's also very very important, which people don't really care that much about. So I think that was very very good, and of course you were one of the best things because finding the right consultant, the right person is very very tough. And yeah, like I think that was it.
We spent a lot of time perfecting the CRM as such, right? We
Yeah, yeah.
added more iterations right now as such, right? But yeah, thanks for pointing that out. It makes me really happy. Okay, great. So what would you suggest to people who are on the fence if they should try us or not?
I think they should definitely go for it. I think like obviously because the name of your company is MIMSA, but this is for everybody who's like going for other courses as well. Because I went for MSc marketing. I mean I didn't go for MIM. So like it's for everybody who's trying out for different courses. I think their approach is very very personalized. They understand your application. They know what to say when, what to write in that. They guide you in a proper way. And also I feel MIMSA is for people who have this attitude of doing it by themselves. I mean that's the kind of attitude which is required at MIM. I think, and at the same time, I feel comparatively MIM is quite affordable compared to other consultants, which is another big bonus. Like for students who are funding their own everything. So I think that's quite important. And at the same time, I think you guys are quite transparent. Yeah, like I mean, even in terms of when we were selecting schools, you kept on telling me, ki, okay, this school you should probably pay us for, and this school you can just do it yourself because you know how to do it now because you have done so many essays. So I think that's something which was quite a bonus. So yeah, I mean, if guys are probably thinking to go for you guys or not, I think they should definitely just not think twice and just go for it.
Definitely. So the personalization angle is really important right now because a lot of times people come and say, "Hey, will you write the essays for me?" Right? Which, frankly, as a company, we don't really believe in because as
Yeah,
you went through the whole journey as such, right? The kind of things that after brainstorming an essay call that we can bring together as such, right? No other person can write it for you, right? Because
yeah,
I'm pretty sure the essays if I had written it for you, it would have been a way different thing as such, right? Compared to
Right.
pushing you again and again, having all those edits and getting things done.
Yeah.
Okay, cool, Abhishek. Thank you so much for taking out time for this great review as such, right? I'm pretty sure you'll have a great amount of fun in UCD.